Hey, Grego's here. Where are we up to? What are we up to? Number 5 on the greatest Australian debut albums. They just played Depreston, and you'd have to be a Melbourneite to understand that. Courtney Barnett. So, and now they're playing, this song. So, what's going on here? Porsche 914. Getting very close to colour now. The lines are looking good. Mind you, we've taken the seals out. We blocked all the car down to with the seals in place so that all the panels are sitting at the correct level. But basically, so I've blown 4 coats of high fill on that. So that should give me plenty to re-block it again. There's a couple of pinholes there that we'll have to work on, but that's all part of it. Until you block back the polyester that was on it, and you get it to like as good as you can physically see it. You rub through the guide coat and you get it all flat. But then, as soon as you put on the final primer, you always see something else. So hence why we block this back as well. And it's like, little stuff like very tiny little spots there. But I tell you what, it's looking straight, real straight. And that's what we like, so she's I shouldn't say it's bloody. It's just cruel because, it's like the Bob Dylan of this generation. I just said it. And everyone's, all the old Bob Dylan fans are like, well, you cannot compare or whatever. So I'm not getting into any arguments. I didn't think Bob Dylan was that great anyway. But whatevs. We're not here to talk about music. We're here to talk about Project 914 and how awesome it's looking. Just that final sand. So we used the blocks again. So this will be like the 3rd time. But it's the final time. So once this is blocked down again, rip the panels off. We'll probably rip the panels off now. Just block the body down because we know it's all going to line up nicely. All our gaps are sweet. Really nice gaps. That's what we wanted. So so we should be able to pull these panels off now, block them individually, paint them separate from the body. So colour going on real soon. How exciting is that? But that's where we're up to. So we that's the process. Everything's looking super smooth. What do you reckon? Yeah, I reckon too. It's pretty good. So I think this is going to be super primo finish, and that's what we wanted from the start. So it's looking really good. All right, short video just to update. Not about Courtney Barnett, but about this car, and we real happy with the way it's going. And colour's always exciting, so that's next. Bye.